Hi, excuse me?
Hi, welcome. How can I help you?
I'm looking for a new bag.
Sure. What kind of bag do you want?
I need a bag for work.
Okay. Do you want a big bag or a small bag?
A medium bag, I think?
Okay, follow me. We have many styles here.
Great, thank you.
This is a very popular style right now.
Oh, it's nice. Can I see it?
Of course. Here you go.
It's soft. What is it made of?
It's made of leather.
Real leather?
Yes, real leather.
How much is it?
This one is $80.
Oh, that's a bit expensive.
We also have similar styles for less money.
Really? Can you show me?
Sure, this way, please.
Okay.
This bag looks similar, but it's not real leather.
Oh, I see. How much is this one?
This one is $35.
That's much better.
Yes, it's a good price.
Can I hold it?
Of course, go ahead.
It's light.
Yes, it's very light, good for everyday use.
Do you have other colors?
Yes, we have black, brown, and gray.
Can I see the black one?
Sure, one moment.
Thank you.
Here it is.
Oh, I like this color.
It's a popular color.
Does it have a pocket inside?
Yes, it has 2 pockets inside.
That's good. I need space for my phone.
There's a small pocket for your phone, too.
Perfect.
Do you want a long strap or a short strap?
What's the difference?
A long strap goes on your shoulder. A short strap you hold in your hand.
I want a long strap.
Okay, this bag has a long strap. Look.
Oh, nice. I can adjust it too.
Yes, you can make it longer or shorter.
That's very convenient.
Yes, many customers like this feature.
Do you have a bigger size?
Yes, we have a bigger size too.
Can I see it?
Sure, here it is.
Oh, this is nice too.
This one is good for books or a laptop.
I don't need something that big.
Okay, no problem.
I like the medium size better.
Good choice. It's easy to carry.
How much is the black one again?
$35.
Okay, and what about the brown one?
Same price, $35.
Can I see the brown one too?
Sure, wait a second.
Take your time.
Here you go.
I like black more.
Black is a good choice. It goes with everything.
Yes, that's true.
Do you want to try it on your shoulder?
Yes, please.
Here.
Oh, it feels good.
It looks nice on you.
Thank you.
Is the strap comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
Great.
Does this bag close with a zipper?
Yes, it has a zipper on top.
Good. I like zippers. They're safe.
Yes, your things won't fall out.
That's important for me.
I understand.
Is this bag waterproof?
It's water resistant, not fully waterproof.
What does that mean?
Small rain is okay, but not heavy rain.
Oh, I see. That's good enough.
Yes, for daily use, it's fine.
Okay, I think I like this one.
Great choice.
But can I look at one more style first?
Of course, no problem.
Thank you for your patience.
It's okay. Take your time.
What about that bag over there?
This one?
Yes, that one.
Okay, let me get it for you.
Thank you.
Here it is.
Oh, this style is different.
Yes, this is a tote bag.
What is a tote bag?
It's an open bag, no zipper.
Oh, I see.
It's good for shopping or carrying books.
I don't think I need that.
Okay, that's fine.
I want a bag with a zipper.
Then the first bag is better for you.
Yes, I agree.
Do you want to buy the black one?
Yes, I think so.
Great. Do you need anything else?
Actually, do you have a small wallet too?
Yes, we have wallets over there.
Can I see them?
Sure, this way.
Thank you.
Here are our wallets.
Oh, these are cute.
Yes, they're new arrivals.
How much is this small one?
That one is $15.
That's not bad.
It matches well with your bag.
You're right, same color.
Exactly.
Does it have a card slot?
Yes, it has 4 card slots.
That's enough for me.
Do you want to buy this too?
Yes, I'll take it.
Great choice.
So the total is the bag and the wallet.
Yes, 35 plus 15.
That's $50 total.
That's right.
Do you have any discount today?
Let me check for you.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, today we have 10% off.
Really? That's great.
Yes, it's a small sale today.
What is the price after the discount?
It will be $45.
That's a good deal.
Yes, you're lucky today.
I'm happy.
Do you want a gift box?
No, that's okay. This is for myself.
No problem.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Great.
Follow me to the counter, please.
Okay,
Here we are.
thank you.
Let me scan the items.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, the total is $45.
Here's my card.
Thank you. One moment.
No problem.
Please enter your PIN.
Okay, done.
Great. The payment is complete.
Thank you.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Would you like a bag for your items?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy your new bag.
I'm sure I will. It's really nice.
If you have any problems, you can come back.
Okay, good to know.
Do you need the receipt for returns?
Yes, I'll keep it safe.
Good idea.
How many days can I return it?
You can return it within 14 days.
Okay, I'll remember that.
But I think you'll love this bag.
I think so too.
The color really suits you.
Thank you, that's nice to hear.
Is there anything else you need today?
No, I think that's all.
Okay, thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.